Would you like to know how you can send 1080p video over 150 meters of CAT cable? Or how about sending 4K at 60 Hz to 120 meters? Stick around to find out how. At SY, we are always coming up with new and exciting devices. Now we have developed a new kind of technology that will allow you to send video signals at 4K resolution, 60 Hz frame rate RGB, that is 444 colour spacing. We have called this new range Xcalibur. This is going to be an installer's dream product range. Across the range, each device has HDMI inputs and they all have both HDMI and HX outputs. Yes, the new HX technology is a key ingredient of the new Xcalibur lineup. What type of devices will you expect to see included in the Xcalibur range? First off, there is the Xcalibur 11, which is an HDMI point-to-point extender. Then the Xcalibur 14, which is a 1x4 splitter with one HDMI input, one HDMI loop out and 4 HX outputs for connecting far-end displays at up to 150 meters. Then we have the Xcalibur Matrix switchers. The Xcalibur 44 with 4 HDMI inputs, 4 outputs via mirrored HDMI and HX ports. Then we also have its big brother, the Xcalibur 88 matrix switcher, with 8 HDMI inputs and 8 outputs via mirrored HDMI and HX ports, giving a total of 16 outputs. Each device is supplied with HX receivers for every HX output. They share some common features such as mirrored HDMI and HX outputs, a per output 4K to 1080p downscaler, a built-in test pattern generator, VKA, our video keep alive system, audio de-embedding, IR pass-through, RS232 Passthrough and RS232 Control. The devices support all HDR formats including 10, 10+, 12, HLG and Dolby Vision. The ability to send 4K 60 Hz 444 signals to 120 meters and 1080p to 150 meters is a game changer. Available now from SY Electronics Limited. For more information on the functions and technologies mentioned, please contact SY Electronics or your SY dealer or come and see us at any upcoming trade show.
Xcalibur.